Was the complete information regarding all 32 NIT most awaited video regarding the PWD category cutoff college wise. We're gonna start with the video NIT 3C. So friend, this is Amit. Here is the most awaited video regarding the PWD category cutoff college wise. All 32 NIT I will cover here for CSE, EC and lowest. Lowest means any type of branch if you want to get in NIT 3C, NIT Rourkela, NIT Surathkal. So I will discuss everything in this video. So please try to subscribe the channel and watch this video up to the last, so that you will get the complete information. And there is no one who cover PWD as I cover all the year. From last 7 years I am covering PWD category also, including all other categories. So kindly support this channel, and if you want the guidance then only contact me, otherwise it is not possible. Sorry, from my side it is not possible to guide you for free, and for after asking one question you can't do your counseling. So don't contact me for asking one question. You have to take complete guidance, then only you can do the better counseling, because counseling is a expert thing. You have to be expert in this field, then only you can do it. Otherwise after asking 1-2 question in live session or here and there on call, you can't do your counseling. You have to be very careful, and physical verification is going to be the most challenging thing for you to get the admission. That is in admission journey. So be very careful about it. I am just informing you. I am not advertising anything. There is no one who can guide you for PWD category as I can guide, because it is my experience. I am not telling you this thing in arrogancy, but I am providing you based on my experience of last 7 years. There is no one who can guide you in detail as I can do. So if you want, you can contact me. If you have the experience, you can do by yourself. If you have any elder brother or your parents are experienced in this field, they can do by themselves also, or you can take the help from them. Otherwise you have to contact me and you have to register first, then only you can ask any type of question. At the start I am just informing you, because many of you will contact me even after this and you will ask, I am poor, I have to ask one question, please help me. That will not help you to get the admission. Please try to understand my situation also. Let's get started with the video. NIT 3C 10 rank, under 10 rank you have to get, then only you will get the CSE, because no one want to leave CSE until unless they get the IIT college, because NIT 3C is the top NIT of India. For EC 120, because EC branch is not as demandable as CSE branch. And although the student who got 100 rank or 120 rank in JEE mains, they got better result in JEE advance also, so they get the IIT college, so they leave NIT college. That's why you are getting 120 rank. For lowest branch, that is any type of branch, chemical, industrial production engineering, or biomedical, or chemical mining, this type of branch will be available up to 1200 rank. And these are CRL PWD rank. If you are from OBC PWD, SC ST PWD, EWS PWD, you can get at a little bit more higher rank also, that is as compared to your general rank I am talking about, because you also have got the general rank. And I am providing you this for male student. If you are a female, you can get up to a little bit higher rank also. Wherever star marks is there, that is for female student cutoff. You can check, it is very higher. And also I am providing you for other state student. If you are from home state of any NIT, you can get at a little bit higher rank also. So for that you can comment down so that I will reply you, and once you register with my guidance I will explain you each and everything for NIT, IIIT, GFTE and IIT as well. In complete procedure I will guide you. That is good choice filling, decision making after each round, how you need to upload the document up to admission is done. Most importantly, physical verification, what are the chances for you, because your parents may wants to have the college in your area only. So I will guide you for everything and I will take care of everything. Otherwise once you get any type of college, you have to take that, either you are from North India or college is in South India or vice versa, you have to go there, or last option will be to quit the college and drop for next year. So hope you get my point. Now if we talk about NIT Surathkal 40, 500, 1300, that's for CSE. EC lowest, EC very high rank because it is female cutoff. And for NIT Warangal 105, 300, 1200. NIT Allahabad 170, 450, 2000. For NIT Rourkela 130, 310, 1900. For NIT Calicut 180, 620. Wherever a star marks is there, that is for female student cutoff. For lowest 1800. NIT Jaipur 150, 800, 1900. For NIT Nagpur 200, 390, 2500. For NIT Kurukshetra 360, 550, 1650. For NIT Durgapur 220, 650, 2600. For NIT Raipur 480, 990, 3050. NIT Bhopal 400, 910 and 2970. For CSE, EC and lower means any type of branch in that college. For NIT Silchar 800, 4090, 3250. For NIT Surat 340, 660, 2990. NIT Goa 700, 1200, 2960. For NIT Jalandhar 450, 740, 2500. For NIT Jamshedpur 740, 950, 1900. For NIT Patna 800, 1150, 2500. Uttarakhand 1400, 1500, 2700. For Hamirpur 390, 1300, 2550. These all are expected for this year, and cutoff is not a constant thing, and in particularly in PWD category you can't predict the cutoff if you don't have any type of experience. If you go for cutoff, just check for 2-3 years, you will be confused a lot, because in some year it will be 700, in some year it will be 150, in some year it will be 1000. You will not able to predict. I am a counselor, I am doing it from last 7 years, so that's why I am able to predict correctly. Once you register with my guidance, I will clearly tell you what are the possibility, and accordingly whatever will be your interest, your family interest, accordingly I will guide you. In the next section you will able to check the detail of my guidance. Also earlier also through banner I have shown you all the detail. If you want, you can contact me, but if you want, then only. Here I would like to inform you about my complete mentorship and guidance program regarding PWDS trend. Many of you are having 5%, 10%, 20%, 30% like this disability, and you have made 40% disability certificate. So you all are going to get a lots of problem in future during the physical verification. That's why I'm here, so that you will not face any type of problem. Once you face problem, your dream of going into the IITs or IIT will be shattered, and after that no one can do anything, including me. So the important thing is that once you register, I will guide you on a daily basis, first of all for the preparation, because the syllabus that are important and easy for you, that I will select, and importantly what you need to follow on a daily basis I will be guiding you. And after that the physical verification will be done, and after physical verification your counseling will start. That is very important, because there once you do mistake you will be into the wrong college, and all your preparation and effort will be vanished, because that time once you get any college you will have to take, otherwise your admission will be cancelled. So everything I will be guiding you starting from now until your admission is done. That's why I'm here. If you want, you can contact me. There is a very nominal charge for that. Over 10,000 students, particularly from PWD, I have guided from last 6 years. If you want, you can contact me any. So now if you talk about for Amirpur 390, 1300, 2550, Sipur 550, 1.5 thousand, 2.9 thousand. Now if you talk about Delhi 560, 620 for CSEEC, and NIT AP 920, 1.1, 3.4 thousand. And for Puducherry 650, 800, 3000. Srinagar 1.3 thousand, 1.6, 3.2 thousand. Manipur 1.6, 1.9, 3.5. Mizoram 1.9, 2.5. NIT Sikkim 1.2, 2.7. Arunachal 1.5, 3000. NIT Nagaland 2.4, 3000. NIT Meghalaya 1.3, 2000. NIT Agartala 1000, 1.2, 3.6 thousand. So this was the complete information regarding all 32 NIT. I can bet you will not get this type of video on YouTube, because no one wants to do lots of work just to get 1000 views or 2000, because there is only 4000 students in PWD category. But I am just providing you because it is my responsibility. You are my subscriber, that's why I am providing you the information. If you want complete guidance, personal time, you have to pay a nominal charge for that. So hope you get my point clearly. Kindly subscribe the channel to support this channel as much as possible. Thank you.